The resistance band lateral raise, also known as the banded lateral raise, primarily targets the lateral deltoid or side of the shoulder, helping to build shoulder width and strength. One of the main issues with the banded lateral raise is it provides little to no tension at the bottom of the lift when in the stretched position. So if you have access to a cable machine, I recommend doing the single arm standing cable lateral raise, or if you only have access to dumbbells, do the standing dumbbell lateral raise or seated machine lateral raises instead. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, then place one end of the resistance band under the arches of both feet while holding the other end in each hand. With your core contracted and a slight bend in your elbows, raise your arms out to the sides and away from your body. Continue raising your arms until they are parallel to the floor or slightly higher if comfortable. Pause briefly at the top, feeling the contraction in your side deltoids. Slowly lower your arms back to the starting position, maintaining control throughout the movement. Avoid shrugging your shoulders or using momentum to swing the band. Repeat for reps. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.